Don't throw away that tomato. 2 seeds from this one fruit will fill an entire blue drum with hundreds more. Soak seeds in crushed aspirin water overnight. This one trick activates the plant's immune system before it even sprouts. Bury 2/3 of this seedling deep inside the drum. Every buried node becomes a powerful new root system. Day 8. Underground in that blue drum, the aspirin-primed roots are already spreading faster than normal. Day 25. The blue drum is overflowing with growth. Those buried roots are feeding this plant like nothing else. Day 45. Yellow flowers covering the drum from every angle. Each one of these is a future tomato. Day 60. Green tomatoes swelling on every truss, starting to blush red. The drum is working beyond all expectations. Harvest day from the blue drum. And one final secret tip keeps this plant producing tomatoes all season long.